Kailangan ako. Kaya ka talaga. Hindi yan nun eh. Haba ah.
Walang kaya ka dito pala.
Try go. Men, try go. Uy, tama, tawa ka na.
Yung kodigo nasaan? Pakita natin dito para sikat. Yan. At eto po, this is one way of
Cheating.
hiding your kodigo to pass the exam. Yan. Eto. Ako pang nagsulat niyan. Hindi siya malinaw.
Kaya
You
pala
can
natin.
print anything in this paper.
Bigote ka pala?
Yan, di lang talaga isayas.
Kumbaga, dulo to dulo natin.
Malibas na rin.
Friends na friends.
Friends, love Rico Hermoso.
Yeah! Ew.
Ito po ang mga baliw kong kaklase. That is Friends. Friends Contreras, aka
Bungalit. Bungalit.
he will show to us that one of his teeth is missing.
It was removed by the dentist.
Friends, give me a beautiful smile of yours.
Smile. Say cheese. Say cheese.
Hintayin lang natin lumabas si ngipin niya.
Naughty.
Bili ka
That's
alcohol.
Nelson.
Men, bili ka
And this is
alcohol.
Marvin.
Bili ka
Nelson and Marvin are different.
Malaman.
Of course.
Unang tingin pa lang. Of course they are.
Height pa lang eh. Mas matangkad daw kay Marvin.
They do differ in
Because Nelson is taller than Marvin.
size of their penis.
Ejaculate.
The diameter of their scrotum and the weight of their balls.
Marvin's
I guess Marvin has a smaller dick than Nelson.
Ayun na sila. Ayun na sila.
And this is
Oh, Marjorie and Carlo has arrived
Wait, patro mo ako. With Coke.
with Coke. Is that a Coke or Sprite?
Coke.
Kasi patay gutom. Hiningi lang niya sa kalye yan.
This is one of my craziest or insane classmates.
Walang yoga.
They are fucking sagad.
They are fucking.
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 Diba? Happily ever after.
Sabi na na siya na to, inspection na dito.
Fuck you, Marjorie.
How about me?
Okay, that's the end of
Paalam tayo na.
magpapaalam. Ito po ang pagpapaalam. O, paano? Show your face.